How to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos. Then click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage your Google account. After you've clicked on Manage your Google account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down and click on Data and Privacy. In Data and Privacy, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Content Saved from Google Services option. Click on that. And in here, click on Download Your Data. Or simply scroll down and then click on Photos just to download from Photos. You'll find Download button there. Click on Download. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and then click on Next Step. You can export every 6 months or just once if you click on it. After you've done, you're good to go. This is how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.